everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be actually showing you what kind of like my room and office little space that I have in my room is kind of set up like, and what I use to actually make these videos. So within my room, as you can see behind me, I have my desk and I have a pegboard full of all types of gadgets and cool little things that I use. So today I will show you kind of like an overview, because I won't be able to go in detail about every single thing, but the things that I use mostly on a daily basis and the things that I have quick at ease and why I even made the pegboard in the first place. So here we go. Okay, so you have seen me sitting here at this desk before in a lot of my videos, but today I'm kind of just going to give you an overview of what's on my desk and what I really use from it. So I have a desk chair, and as we go forward, I have my 2017 13-inch MacBook Pro with an HP monitor. So I use this as a dual monitor setup kind of thing. It does the job for me and it's simple and gives me more working space. Connecting that is an HDMI right here. Then besides that, I have a little ball head, an SD card reader from my MacBook Pro, a little knife that I use quickly for opening packages, eraser, and just some paper for notes. To this part, I have a LED desk light. I have a little slate saying. I have my Satechi hub right behind it, as well as my Anker wireless charger for my cell phone. I have some pens and pencils, and then here I have journal, like ideas for photos or stuff like that. This is my YouTube video planner, which I'll be doing a video about soon. This is what I edit my videos and my photos. And I use this to write down notes, maybe what I want to change about the photo, and just my planner. So next part of my desk is I have just a big calendar so I can see the dates of when things going on. I have a Logitech wireless Bluetooth keyboard and mouse that can convert to 3 different devices, which I love. I have a coaster for when I have my drinks on my desk so my desk doesn't get ruined. I have a little photo album of some photos I've taken. I have actually some photo books down here as well. These photo books, some of them I've got from Savers and others I just ordered online. I have my headphones, my big ones that I like to use. I have a external hard drive, batteries, lens cloth cleaner, and a case that would carry my Zoom H1N, which I'm externally recording on right now. So this pretty much sums up my desk setup. It's kind of simple, but everything here I actually use and go over with every day. So here on this side I have a bookshelf, some camera bags down here, just drawers with some random tech stuff, more pencils, more camera bags. I have an action cam, a lens, and a couple little sayings. And here is my pegboard, which is full of nonsense. I have everything from more books to headlamps and stuff for camping. I have knives, like I said, for camping outdoors, and tape, microphones, some action cam accessories, wires, Bluetooth speaker, more bags. I have some more film cameras, another pair of older headphones, lens wipes, a lens case for my backpack, and just a whole bunch more. It's kind of crazy and hectic. But everything here, I tend to switch out my bag a lot. Sometimes I will use this one right here, which is a messenger bag, or I might use something else. But as I keep going, I just have some of the boxes from recent and just a ton of books. Everything here I kind of go through every once in a while, and if I need it, it's right at hand. And some of you guys are probably wondering why I have a spoon, but that's a singing spoon. It's kind of funny. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have any questions about any of the things you saw in this video, please let me know in the comments. I will get back to you as soon as I can. But I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and see my next upcoming videos. But as Taylor Swift does, there'll be Easter eggs.